We got a 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan, and I'm going to check the cabin filter today and see if we need to service it. It's going to be located behind the glove box here, so we need to lower the glove box. First thing we're going to do is disconnect the damper. All we got to do is take this and pull it towards us. I'll disconnect it, get it out of our way so we don't break it. Now these stoppers here and here, what we got to do is push up on them and they unlock. We'll hold some pressure on the glove box, pull it down a little bit, and then the glove box will come down. Now these doors right here can be a little hard to get off. They're locked on with these tabs here. There's 3 of them. All right. So what we need to do is, you can see this little lip that we have here. We need to pull down on it, pull towards us, pull down on it towards us, pull on it towards us. It's a little hard. Like that. Okay. See these little tabs here. How they lock on. Let me just take it off. All right. So notice here your aftermarket air filters, even this Volkswagen one, the airflow is going to be down. And this one is not in too bad of a shape. It's actually in pretty good shape. It's got some leaves in it. We'll shake this one out. We'll put it back in after we shake it out. And if you need a cabin filter, I'm going to have a link down in the description box where you can pick one up from Amazon. Put this door on here. Notice that this is going to go on first. It's going to slide down into here like that. Lock it on. Glove box. What we're going to do is just push up on it. This should stay. Grab our damper over here and lock it back on, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me or leave me a comment if you could. Hope to see you again in another Volkswagen video.